it's like it's bedlam down here in San Francisco. I mean, there's fire trucks, they're closing streets. The wind is absolutely howling. There's no lights in the city. I mean, it's pitch black. And, people are just braving this downpour, but it's the worst storm in San Francisco in 5 years. They're predicting 3 inches of rain per hour. But now we've got a blackout, which is, I mean, it's pitch freaking black. I mean, there's the Hyatt, and I guess there's a fire or something going on here because they got this road closed, but it's unbelievable. I mean, it's freaking unbelievable. You can smell it. You can smell the flames. But anyway, yeah, there's something burning over there. That's why there's fires and trucks there. But anyway, I'm out of here.